Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by looking where ISOs usually land. Open File Explorer and navigate to Downloads, Desktop, and Documents right away. Make sure you enable file name extensions so you can see ISO at the end of file names. This avoids confusing ISO with folders. Next, use the Explorer search field and type ISO, then sort results by date or size to surface recent large files. Once done, note any promising file names before moving on to verification. Now verify that the file is an actual Windows ISO and not a partial download. Right-click and open Properties to confirm the size. Windows ISOs are typically multiple GBs, and check the modified date. Double-click or choose Mount to inspect the internal folders like Sources and Setup. EXE, this confirms authenticity. If the search missed it, run PowerShell with get child item path C /filter *. ISO recurse to scan whole drives. Make sure you run PowerShell as your user to see external. Finally, copy the confirmed ISO to a safe location, your preferred folder or an external drive, so you have a stable source before creating boot media. If you plan to install, use a USB creation tool or burn it after verifying contents. Checksums help but aren't always available. If you can't find the file, make sure hidden items are visible, inspect removable drives and the recycle bin, and revisit your browser's partial downloads folder. If needed, rerun the deep PowerShell search to catch anything missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.